Hello everyone, my name is Slava. Today we are shooting product commercial. I will show the light schemes, the result, also some tips and tricks. Let's go! Installing the light. For this we need 2 light stands and 1 C-stand. We will have 3 light sources, softboxes for them and a reflector. Connect to the light through the application, which is very convenient. Stand near the camera and adjust everything remotely. Brightness, temperature, effects. Nice! The first scene. Filming a can with the energy drink. I like the title and how it could be played. Painted barrel instead of table. Eliminate the colorful graffiti background with FL125B and a reflector to make a semi-circular light. Key light FL225B with FSR90 softbox, which gives a strip of light. On the backside we installed a reflector as a fill light, and FL125D with FSP90 as backlight. Sprinkle a water as if the can had sweated. Let's add some slider movements. We splash some more water and get falling drops. Set the camera to slow motion and here is the result. Nice! Second scene. Remove the backlight. Instead of it, there will be a flame. For this we will need hairspray, a lighter and extinguisher. The flame fits the name and also adds the effectiveness of the video. Third scene. For the next scene we will need piece of glass, coal and smoke machine. Fill light FL125D and FSP90 softbox, backlight under glass FL225B with the reflector and flame effect. Key light FL125B with this cool softbox. This is FSL65 lantern softbox. Assembles very quickly, scatters light around itself, and with these fabric band-ons we can direct the light where we need it. Awesome for product shooting. We get a picture as if the can align on a grill with coal. This is how you can make a small promo video or product photo from several scenes. I hope this video was useful. If you have any questions, write them in the comments. Goodbye and see you soon!